everyone. Just out here, finished mowing all this pasture. Getting the rest of these weeds knocked down out here. See that little tractor's still holding strong. Gotta do some adjusting first. Now this mower here sitting all crooked on me, so I need to raise it up a little bit. Oh, I got her sitting level, so now we'll get back to mowing all this. So a question for whoever watches this. Got about an acre of nothing. I'm trying to keep clean, and I don't know if anyone's got any ideas on what to do with this. I don't know, leave a comment or something. Let me know. Well, I got all these weeds knocked down. Now it's time to go unhook this mower and get the arrows hooked up, and then we'll start spreading all this grass and junk around. Got the boss man showing me how it's done. Well, next I need to get this mower unhooked. Once I do that, go hook up to those harrows over there. Then I'll start dragging these pastures and we'll be good to go.